Them try to take you away from me.
Sweet poison.
But I know say I'll be the one that you need. Between God and man, I nobody deceive. That's why me tell you, oh, follow my lead. Atafunya yanangaya say. We day in LA, make them go insane. Baby girl, I like the way you talk. Girl, I like the way you walk. Baby girl, I like the way you talk. Talk, no, they bother me. It's all about you. Sip, grab a liquor. Baby, it's all about you. Talk, no, they bother me. It's all about you. Sip, grab a liquor. Oh no, it's all about you. You are Gia. Oh, you are Gia. You are Gia. My lady, you are Gia. You are Gia. Oh, you are Gia. You are Gia. My lady, you are Gia.
Welcome guys, shout out to my brother Kwame Anthem. Guys, go on YouTube to check on his latest track, Talk, and listen to the other tracks and thank me later. Guess what is on the menu today, guys? Guess. It's banana bread. Woohoo! It's an easy recipe, very easy to learn. So join me in the kitchen and let's get started. So guys, without wasting much time, we are just going to go through quickly on our ingredients. Then we start with our banana bread.
Yeah, I like the way you walk. Baby girl, I like the way you talk. Girl, I like the way you walk. Talk, no, they bother me. It's all about you. Sip, grab a liquor. Baby, it's all about you.
So guys, I'm going to start by mashing my banana first in separate bowl. So I'm going to peel off my banana. So I'm going to use 3 ripe banana today.
You are Gia, you are Gia. My lady, you are Gia, you are Gia. Although you are Gia, you are Gia. My lady, you are Gia.
So I'm going to start by adding the dry ingredients first. So first goes in my all-purpose flour. So this is 1.5 cup. And my 12 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you want. And my half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of salt.
But I know say I'll be the one that you need.
So next is my 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
That's what me tell you, oh, follow my lead.
So this is all our dry ingredients. I'll mix it up. After mixing it up, I'm going to add my wet. This is half cup of melted butter. So next is my 2 eggs. So at this point, I'm going to mix it up with my mixer. If you don't have, you can use your
You are Gia, although you are Gia, you are Gia, my lady, you are Gia, body eye.
So after mixing it up, this is how it's going to be. This is the texture of it. So at this point, I'm going to add my half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I add my banana to it. So that's half teaspoon. Then after that, you add your mashed banana to it. This banana smells yummy. this point, I'm going to mix it up.
Yeah, I like the way you walk. Talk, no, they bother me. It's all about you. Sip, grab a liquor. Baby, it's all about you. Talk, no, they bother me. It's all about you. Sip, grab a liquor.
So as you can see, it's mixed up properly. You just have to make sure the banana is mixed up properly and the sugar is being dissolved. So many people do banana bread without adding milk, but for me, I prefer adding milk. It makes it more creamier, rich and moist when you are eating it. So at this point, I'm going to add half of this milk, half full cream. That's my half full cream milk. Then you mix it up. You mix up with your spoon, milk, mix up with the banana and the other ingredients properly.
Then try to take you away from me. But I know
it's ready to go in my baking pan. So some people prefer adding sultanas to their banana bread before baking it, but today I'm not going to use it. It's an optional that I'm showing you. You can choose to do it or you can choose to stop. So at this point I'm going to spray my baking pan because you don't want your banana bread to stick in, so you just have to add a little bit of oil so that your banana can come out properly.
it's all about you.
Side and side. Yeah. So it's going straight into my baking pan, then it goes straight into the oven. So at this point, my banana bread is going inside the oven for 30 minutes with 180 degrees. There we go. So at this point, I'm coming to check if my banana bread is ready. Wow, look at that. It's like golden brown. So for you to be sure that your banana bread is ready, you just have to use the bottom of your fork and stick it at one place to check. So when you see watery, when you see this liquid, meaning it's not ready yet. But when you put it in and you see the dryness, meaning it's ready. So we're going to put it in for extra 10 more minutes. So I'm going to spin up my spoon into it. Okay, so when it comes out like this, it means it's cooked, it's dry. So when you take your banana bread from the oven, you have to put it down to cool down a little bit before you can start cutting them into pieces. So at this point, I'm going to turn it over. And this is how your banana bread should look like. Brown color, very nice. You can smell the banana. So guys, this is how I want my banana bread. It's very moist. You can taste the creaminess. Everything is on point. You can taste the banana, everything. I can't wait to taste this banana bread. And I hope you try this at home with the family. Tasting time. Right? You can taste the creaminess. You can taste the banana. You can taste everything in it. Try this at home. You will love it. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Bye.
So me tell you, oh, follow my lead. Atafunya yanangaya say. They inale make them go insane. Baby girl, I like the way you talk. Girl, I like the way you walk. Baby girl, I like the way you talk. Talk, no, they bother me. It's all about you.